Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. First of all, forgive the air conditioner. Y'all all know it's a heat wave, so I've got the feather mold. Now I know it looks strange. I've got it partially turned inside out. The reason is this mold is so warped. I found if I turn it inside out part way and let it set for a while, it will sort of fix itself for a minute or two, long enough for me to pour. So I've got, this is 3 ounces of the Bond Craftor Fast Cure. I'm gonna add just a little bit, and when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. These are just no-name chunky holographic glitter that I got off of Amazon. But the color is the important part. This is a royal blue, and a royal blue, we're going to call it that. And this is a purple. So I'm going to add just a bit of each one. Half a spoon, let's call that. I want my lid back on the right way. Yeah, maybe a bit more. Alright. And what I should have done first is I should have added a touch of clear glue. And I'm going to do that, because I do want the glitter to stay suspended. Alright. Just a half a spoon more, so it literally is just a level spoon of each. Alright. This is the Elmer's Clear School Glue. And when I say 1 drop, I mean 1 drop or less. It makes it really, for lack of a better word, snotty. Alright. Okay. Now, this next part's gonna be quick. This is, oh, I'm sorry. This is the Sigwong alcohol ink. This one is the navy blue, and I've also got the purple. Oh. Hey, the purple. I wanted to have a kind of galaxy look. That might have been more than I intended. Okay. Here we go. I hope adding the glue is not gonna affect how it turns out. But we're gonna see. We're gonna try it and see. just giving it a bit of a mash where I can see it's trapped a little air. Okay, now it has trapped a bit of air along this side. Hopefully that's going to work itself out. Now I did intentionally make more than I needed, just because this only takes a little over 2 ounces, and so I made 3 ounces. Okay, okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my curing rack. I'm gonna do it really quick. I'm gonna put this on my curing rack, and hopefully turning it inside out partially has done the trick. I can see it's a little thin along the spine right here, but I'm afraid if I fill it anymore. Okay, moment of truth. It does look like it fills it out completely. Had a little bit of spillage right here. Okay, let's see. I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, the hard part. Oh my gosh. Had a little bit of dyeing on my mold. But this mold is getting old, so. Okay. Yeah, a lot of dyeing. Okay, moment of truth. Wow. Wow. Love the sparkle. Not as glittery as I expected it to be. I should have gone with my first instinct and added a little of the silver holographic. That would have made it pop. Oh, ho, ho, ho. But all in all, very successful. I'm excited about that. I was literally on the verge of spending way too much money to get a new mold. Just to be able to do this. Wow. Alright. I did pour the leftovers into a gecko mold that I've been pouring leftovers into, and it's still not quite full yet, so that'll be in another video. Wow. I want to thank y'all all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh. Hit that hype button if you feel like it deserves it. Bye for now.